What's up, guys? Here's the April 22nd trade recap. So let's go over it. Straight up on Euro USD on the 4-hour, I saw this big fair value gap. Then market opened. We tapped into it. We inversed this fair value gap right here because we closed above it. I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. Then we broke structure to the upside right here. So I entered like this, targeted someone up here, but yeah, then I got stopped out right here. So I lost that trade. It was a $2 loss. And let's go down to GJ. So on GJ, I saw this bearish fair value gap and price. We came into it and we broke structure to the downside on the 5 minute. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Then we broke structure to the downside on 1 minute. So I got stopped out. Yeah, that was a bad trade because price just wanted to push up higher. So then this was the last trade I took. We inversed this fair value gap, retraced in the 5 minute equilibrium on the 1 minute, and then broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute. So I entered and I didn't close right there. I should have, but I had it like down here, and then I closed and got a profit of 9 cents.
And then on this one, I lost like $1.
So today was a losing day. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.